The rain is so bad. The rain is so bad. The rain is so bad. Good morning, South Africa. The rain is so bad. Bad, bad, bad. And yet Malome Lawrence is refusing to put on a raincoat. He's refusing to go back home. We've connected him with the family, with his family, but he's refusing. He insists that he wants to be in this place until his last day. So I don't know. We need help. We need help. We need help, South Africa. How can we help Malome Lawrence move home? Because his family was here. Check how bad is the rain. See where Malome is standing. It's so bad. He's got only that plastic there, that refusal bag. And he's refusing. Hey, Malome. Yeah, Nastro Malome. Malome, corre raincoat.
No, raincoat
Malome Mara.
Yeah.
So Rofi Kakai Malome was na
Tabo.
Tabona.
Yeah, tabo.
Okay, it was kind of like Pula.
Igual tata kamona.
Huh?
Igual tata.
Yeah. But ke tšho gore ro feletsa kae Malome re sena o sa dumele raincoat. Huh?
Arta le bella raincoat.
Ke a itlisa.
Yeah.
Wa o sa apare tracksuit tsele. Yeah. And he was only waiting for food. That's what matters to him. See, he left the plastic there. So, I don't know now. I mean, guys, we've tried. He's got that jacket. He's got tracksuit. He's got everything, but he's refusing to put them on. We don't mind giving him food, but he must cooperate at some stage. I think it needs some spiritual intervention or some biblical intervention, or I don't know. All right, it's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Bye-bye.